Friends, today we will discuss third class English Bridging Gap Activity 1 Worksheet 2. I will make this video but that is lost. That's why I am making video another time. First read the words given and circle the action words. Here some action words and naming words are clumping. We separate the circle the action words. Once I read out these words: park, children, a boy, running, football, a girl, skipping, white house, white blouse, kicking, wickets, bowling, sand house. Here we circle only action words. Okay, once take it. Park. Park is naming word. Children is naming word. A boy is naming word. Running is action word. Then we circle this one. Next, football. A girl. These are naming words. Skipping is action word. White blouse is naming word. Kicking is action word. Wickets. Bowling is action word. Sand house. Okay, we circle the action words. What are there? Running, skipping, kicking, bowling. Next, write any 3 sentences in the middle column using the words in the margins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, here only 3 sentences asking, but we are wrote so many sentences. Okay, your wish. You can write which you want. Do you want that sentences are? Okay, here is one side naming words and another side is action words. We make the sentences with using of naming words and action words. Okay, once you read out the naming words: a park, children, a boy, football, a girl, sand house. Action words are playing, kicking, building, skipping, watching, running. Okay, here I wrote some sentences with using of naming words and action words. Example here given one example is there. There is a park. The children are playing. Next, we write the sentences. Okay, once you see here, a boy is kicking a football. A girl is skipping. A girl is skipping. Or you can write a girl is playing also. The children are building a sand house. The children are building a sand house. A boy is running in the park. A boy is running in the park. A girl is watching the children. We wrote only 3 sentences, but here I wrote 5 sentences. If you like any 3, you can pick out that sentences and you can write down. Okay, thank you for watching.